Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Quick Hits tutorials on our CountingWorks Pro marketing and onboarding engagement platform. My name is Lee Reams. I'm the founder and CEO. And today we are going to talk about upsell campaigns and how easy it is. And some of these campaigns are limited based on your subscription type. So I just want to preference that. But if you're in our higher level packages, we have all sorts of campaigns that you can immediately get an ROI in your subscription to CountingWorks Pro by upgrading clients, whether that be a tax prep client to a tax planning subscription, or perhaps an hourly bookkeeping client to a virtual CFO monthly subscription. So I'm joined today with Patrick, who runs our customer success team. Patrick, if you could introduce yourself, say hello, and then take over and start talking about the campaigns.
Absolutely. Hey, thanks for the introduction, Lee. My name is Patrick. Maybe you've already seen me or we've worked together. If not, then we're happy to welcome you here to CountingWorks Pro. Like Lee mentioned, we're going to be talking about one of our VIP campaigns here, the virtual CFO upsell campaign. So it's a really good way to maximize your current client base by looking at these. And this one especially, it comes with one of our white papers, which I'll show you here in just a sec. But let's hop into the campaign and show you the functionality of it really quick. When you hop in, you're going to get data and analytics on these. So you're going to be able to track your customers, whether they're opening them, whether they've been delivered or not, or bounced or unsubscribed. So a good way to track your customers that are interested. But as we get into the settings here, you'll see that you can pick the time and date you want it to go. Obviously, there's a series of steps. And again, it's all customized. So if you want to come in and change things in here, add some of your own flavor to the messaging, you can. But these are all set and ready to go from our team and all built out. This one has 7 steps. So it's a pretty, I think it's a pretty detailed campaign here, and it goes on drip. So you can change the days that it goes out and get that all situated that best fits your preferences. And keep in mind too, these are all going to be white labeled with your branding, your logo. It's going to represent your firm. So it's going to look like it's coming directly from you. And that's what we want. Let's get over to what that page will look like too, the landing page. If they come in and select on the site, just easily be able to click download, put in their lead capture information here, name, email address, so you're going to know who grabbed it. And then this is one of our beautiful white papers that we built out. Pretty nice. And this is something that you would pay lots of money for, to have someone custom build this for you. And the idea behind these is too, the upsell campaigns are important to note. You don't have to worry about growing your client base. This is taking advantage of your current client base, maybe having less clients that are going to be paying you more over time. So that's the idea behind the upsell too, is we know your time is valuable. So why not put through customers here that are already in your database and that have the opportunity to pay you more and do a niche service like this.
Yeah, what's beautiful about this, Patrick, is, I mean, you're right. You mentioned it. You'd spend thousands and thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars to do it. But basically, we've created a series of emails, white papers, downloads, whatever, that will incentivize people to convert. And basically, you go through a client base. Let's say you have 500 clients. You target 50 clients. If you get 10 to 20 that go from spending a few $1,000s to $10, $20, $30,000 a year with you, you could do the math quite easily, and that's probably the growth for the entire year. So why we like to incentivize our clients or really push them into using these is, hey, we spent the time, we know what works. We kind of do it in a narrative format, step 1 through 6 or 7. It can be shorter, it can be 3 or 4. But basically, once you target the audience, send the list, and set the campaign up, you'll just be getting inbound inquiries, and then it's up to you then to convert, obviously. We always recommend using this in association with a proposal, an engagement, an intake form that goes with, for example, virtual CFO services. So it's really, really nice product that we've offered. And again, it's ad agency level collateral that you have in use in your current subscription. So go ahead, Patrick. I just wanted to add that.
Yeah, no, I think those are all obviously great points. And it's something that we recommend our VIP customers to hone in on and do. The VIP packages, the Premier comes with 3 landing pages too, in addition to the white papers. So that's another way you can show your niches. But truly, the white papers is a great advantage for moving your package up if you're a current customer and want to take advantage of something like this to reach out and maximize your revenue over time.
Yeah, and if you're a current client and you're interested in enabling a campaign, or you're not sure which one to use, you want to maybe semi-customize it, feel free to reach out to Patrick and his team, and they'll go ahead and kind of walk you through it. Everything is customizable. Everything, especially with our AI tools now, it's easy to rewrite let's say you wanted to target virtual CFO for restaurants, for example, creating a targeted campaign to that particular vertical. The messaging, the imaging is really easy, and our team will be here to assist you with doing that. So Patrick, I don't know if there's anything else you want to throw in here just to show, or otherwise this is just another quick hits on how to use the campaigns.
No, you already covered the AI portion. That was where I was going next. I think we're good. This is definitely a useful tool, and hopefully we'll get to meet soon and get this set up for you guys.
Yeah, so go to email help@countingworkspro.com if you have any questions or want to start a support ticket and get this live. Thank you again.
Take care.